Good morning. We're minutes away from going live with the India Today Conclave. It's been a long time because of the pandemic that we haven't had the conclave. But you can see around me that we're all set for the day one of the India Today Conclave. We've referred to it as the biggest ideas platform, and that's for a reason. You'll have the biggest leaders, the biggest movers and shakers of the country and the world really coming together for this conclave. And we're promising you a session which will have you thinking on several issues. Some of the biggest leaders are coming together on this platform. 2 days where we've got a number of sessions, over 80 speakers who are coming together for this event. You can see the preps behind me. Everyone's all ready to go. And we will be starting the conclave any moment now with the address from the editor-in-chief. The first session is a very interesting one that you don't want to miss. It kind of encapsulates what really you can expect from this conclave. But let me take this across. You can see next to me the news director here, Rahul Kanwal. Rahul, good morning.
Hi, Shida, good morning.
We're back at this stage after quite some time.
We're really excited to be back because it was just 2 days before the last conclave in March last year, where the full preparations had been made, guests were flying in from the US and elsewhere, which is when the pandemic struck. You know, so in the context of those who are organizing it, it's a bit like you have the full preparation for the Bharat on, and this is just when the Bharat is to arrive and you say the marriage is off. So it was a bit like that, which was a disaster because so much effort had gone in and, passion and trying to bring it together. So we're really happy to be back. These are all our plans from last year in terms of these fabulous screens, starting from here, going all the way up till the other edge of the room. And we're very happy to be back at the India Today Conclave. We have a very packed schedule, as I'm sure you've seen already. Some really high voltage speakers coming in, a lot of focus on Afghanistan, the economy, the bounce back. So it's really nice to be back. We are back in person, in real life, doing something outside of Zoom or Microsoft Meets, and it's a very nice, happy feeling.
Which is the session that you're most looking forward to?
So there is this one session where we have Sanjay Nair from KKR, the private investment bankers. We have Kunal Behel of Snapdeal, and we have TV Narendran, the CII president, and the Tata Steel CEO. They'll be in conversation with Piyush Goyal. I think this kind of context and a setting where you have three top, really sharp, bright lights of India Inc. In conversation with the top Modi minister, I think is something that can only happen at the India Today Conclave. You can have them separately, you can have the minister separately, but to bring them together on one stage at the same time is something quite special. And the other session, which I think will be really nice, is the Bimal Patel and Hardeep Puri session. I'm talking about some of the lesser known sessions, not the big ones. Of course, Nadda ji will be great, and Nat Gadkari ji will be great. But there again, you've got the architect, you've got the minister, and you've got this whole conversation about the Central Vista. Some people love the Central Vista, some people hate the Vista. So it's a great conversation to have, and this is the first time they'll be coming together. Which is your favorite session, Akshita?
I think the first one. I'm looking forward to the Abhinav Bindra and Neeraj Chopra. I'm hoping I'll get a chance to also speak to them. Thank you so much, Rahul. I'm going to let you go. Great to have this kind of a conversation with so many of our members. The excitement is in the air right now because you can see the preps around me. Everyone's seated, everyone's ready to go. I just want to take you outside quickly to show you how people have also come together. Some of our panelists, the very first few, have already entered. And I want to speak to someone who's also very special. Let me take this across. Bandeep Singh is the India Today Group photo editor, the heart of the India Today Conclave. Bandeep, good morning.
Good morning.
All set to go? You get to click everyone at their best.
At their reluctant best, yes.
I think we just saw that with Mr. Bindra. He was reluctant, and I think we saw the picture, and it was amazing.
He's always like that, he's reluctant.
See, this is why I ensured that I come and speak to Bandeep. He's the celebrity of the conclave here.
No, come on. I serve at the humble feet of the real celebrities.
Great. Great. So let me get in some more. I'm going to not speak to Abhinav Bindra, so you'll have to tune in for the session for that. Boria, good morning.
Good morning. I've only seen her, despite being part of the same group, virtually and on her shows on Zoom. That's been our interaction every morning.
Particularly the Olympics.
Particularly the Olympics and the Paralympics.
So you can expect some of the biggest sporting stars, some of the biggest politicians, the biggest entrepreneurs, all of them coming together on one stage. 2 days that you simply cannot miss. Every session is going to be one that's so engaging and so interesting. Stay tuned to us here on India Today. We're going to get you all the latest live updates on the India Today Conclave.